Okay, this is John Pinelli, and today we're going to be talking about types of investments. So there's a ton of investments out there for your average investor. Things like real estate, buying property, buying homes, buying land, and then also on the traditionally thought of investment side, there's financial instruments. Things like stocks, which is a share of a company that you're buying into. Things like bonds, which is essentially a debt instrument where you have a fixed amount that's specified that you're going to get, and you pay into that bond initially. And then looking at things like certificates of deposit, which might be through a bank or lending institution, typically have defined terms, going to offer a lower return, but a lower risk tied to those as well. You have also things like options, futures, which are generally riskier investments, but if you know what you're doing and you're not afraid of that risk, can offer incredibly high returns. And that's where you see a lot of these fat cats on Wall Street really making their money, is things like options, calls, and the riskier securities. Just be careful when investing. Know your risk tolerance and know what kind of investment might fit your individual knowledge base and your individual preference as well. This has been John Pinelli, financial representative, talking to you today about types of investments.